How to add page numbers in Microsoft Word document. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add page numberings to your MS Word document. So as here you can see, I have this sample MS Word document right here, and it consists of these following pages. So now I will show you how you can add page numbers to these particular pages. So as you can see, this is our document, and the next thing that you will need to do is simply click onto this insert tab right here over the top left corner. So once you click onto this insert tab on the ribbon, you can see a number of options listed here. Now if you will move towards this particular option, this says page number under the header and footer. So simply click onto this page number option, and now you have some predefined options, which are top of the page, bottom of the page margins, current position, and two other options as well. So from here you can decide the position of the page numbering. So if you want to add the page numbers at the top of the page, you can click onto this option, or usually what most of the people prefer is to add it at the bottom of the page. So you can simply hover your cursor over to this option as you wish, and then you have these options like a plain number or a plain number 2. The difference is that this one will be over the left hand side of the page, the second option will be at the between or the middle position, and the third option will be at the rightmost corner. And then you also have some other options like to add an accent bar as well, and bold numbers or these lines as well. So you can use any option. Let me go with the plain number 1 option, and then I will click onto this option, and here you can see that a page number 1 has been successfully added as a footer. And if I'll scroll down, you can see this is the page number 2 of our document. So that's how easily you can add page numbers into your document. Also, if you want to exit this particular view of header and footer, you will need to click onto this close header and footer button under the header and footer tab. So once you click onto this close button, you can see that now the document is appearing as normal with the page number successfully embedded into them. So that was all for this particular tutorial. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.